Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Bright Arc Christmas tree lighting here. Oh, this is so really nice. Look at this tree. With this Christmas tree lighting, we have a wonderful Christmas time, of course. It comes with 8 light modes and a timer function. This Christmas tree light chain is for 1 meter up to 2.5 meter Christmas trees. Or other trees, of course. Because you does not have to use this only at the Christmas time, you can use it all year long. This is an IP44 waterproof light chain for the garden, for home, for the party with RGB light. Really wonderful. Because this Christmas decoration consists of 16 individual fairy lights. Each chain is 2 meters long and equipped with 25 light-emitted diodes, which gives a total of 400 light-emitted diodes. The 5-meter-long power cord offers us a great flexibility in placement and makes the light perfect for Christmas trees, from 1 up to 2.5 meter height. This is a perfect Christmas atmosphere with 8 light modes. We can create the perfect festival atmosphere with this warm RGB Christmas tree light bulbs with 8 unique features like combination, like wave, sequential, and more. And on top, we can easily switch them through via the remote control or via the button on the transformer. Yeah, the good old transformer. This is an AC adapter which transformed the 240 voltage into the, I think it was a 20 volt or something else, which these Christmas tree lights are operated with. We have a memory function, a timer function, a remote control function, and yeah, we can find so the ideal look for our Christmas decoration. And with the maximum convenience, with remote control and dimmer function, we enjoy complete remote control if it is necessary. The supplied remote control allows us to turn the light on and off, of course, the switch between all 8 modes, and even adjust the brightness in 4 levels: 25, 50, 75, and 100%. In addition, it has a practical timer function with 6 hours of automatic on and 18 hours of automatic off switch for effortless energy saving. Oh, really nice. And this is dual for indoor and if you like outdoor. These Christmas lights are made with IP44 protection. In this class, they are protected against rain and splashing water, which makes them safe for both indoor and outdoor use, on our Christmas tree, window, in the garden, or on fans, and on the terrace. And it's ready to use with a large length and an EU European plaque. This Christmas tree light set is ready for use immediately after unpacking. The main string of the light is 2 meters long, and it has a generous 5-meter power cord, and this offers a lot of length for flexible decoration options. It comes to us to a big joy for Christmas time, because this is the Bright Arc Christmas tree light. Wow, that looks really nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!